Stormtrooper.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
All right, my name is the Stormtrooper Brian Francois. I got 2412s Rage XLs, custom backplates made by Chris Reisenhauer. In the doors, I got 12 8s and 6 super tweeters. And in the dash, I got 8 8s and 4 super tweeters.
Okay.
All on 4012s and 4 5Ks running the mids and highs with a couple other amps, DSP and all.
Who built this?
I did some of the work. Jakar did some of the work. Max Customs did the dash and the doors from Italy. And I'd like to give a shout out to Jay Holmes for getting me to this level.
Okay, very nice. This is a fourth order?
Fourth order, sir.
Okay. So a couple more questions about this. So how many subwoofers? I know I can't really count because it's insane, but how many are in here?
2412.
Really? Wow. And what made you call it Stormtrooper?
I'm a U.S. military veteran. I did 9 years and 2 months in the military.
Okay.
I served a couple tours for this country. So
Wow. I appreciate it. Thank you very much for your service,
No
man.
problem, brother.
Awesome. There's so many other questions I can ask you, but I only have so much time. Do you know anything about like the tuning, the cubic space, anything like that?
I know a little bit about it, but not too much offhand. I really don't
Okay.
get into technical aspects.
No worries. This is insane. How much power total do you have if you were to sum up all your wattage?
I got, let me see, I got 4 12Ks, so 48,000. I got about 60,000.
60,000 plus. Wow. That's insane. And it's all custom fab work in here.
Custom fab.
And you've never had windshield issues?
No, I play with my doors open so I don't mess up my paint.
Got it. Okay. Yep. Looks really good. And then this is drivable?
Drivable, but you really
Your trailer. And this is from what country?
I'm from Albuquerque, New Mexico.
New Mexico. All right. I appreciate it, man.
I appreciate
That's
you.
awesome. Yes, sir.
Push the door.
Thank you for showing me. Push it.
Oh, shit.
Hey. Oh, don't worry about it. It's all good.
Thank you. Hey, you open my door?
Okay, I can? Okay. Okay. seen something like this before.
I've been following this car for years.
Yeah? I've never seen it in person. It's pretty fancy. He said he had his alternators down. That sucks. What's up, man? And right now, this is on battery power.
Yeah, we're only at 11 volts, so we're gonna do something.
Okay. I hope that you can get this fixed, because that sucks. You're not gonna be able to demo it off.
Right.
Yeah. Get it. Oh yeah, I'd love to hear it. Awesome, man.
Let's get it.
Still smelling like a brick, smelling like a brick. The same color is the same color is.
Thank you, Jason. I appreciate it.
Alright, this is something special to me, because I don't see stuff like this often, so I gotta say thank you for showing me.
Thank you.
It's a privilege for hearing it.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop